Wasps have a funny way of picking the most inconvenient spot to build their nests, usually under roofs, under the deck, and even on the job site. Well, no one wants these unwanted guests around when working in the sun or enjoying the comfort of your own backyard. So let's supercharge our arsenal and save the summer with this week's feature product,
Dr. Doom's
Wasp and Hornet Nest Annihilator. While there are many different methods to deal with wasps and hornets, this Canadian-made spray is one of the safest and most effective. I know you must just be itching at the nozzle to get rid of these guys, but there is a method on how to use this product effectively. The ideal time to attack is either early morning or at night when the buggers are mostly asleep and not active. Your goal is to completely saturate the nest to achieve
total annihilation.
First, shake the can vigorously. Then stand a safe distance away, about 3 meters from your target. Once you're ready, flip up the straw, aim at the entrance of the nest, and it's doomsday for the wasps. Once the entrance is soaked, you can move on to drench the rest of the nest. This solution also kills upon contact, so any stragglers can be taken down with a quick spray. Once you've sprayed the entire nest, it's best to wait 48 hours to ensure it's completely dead before cleaning up the carnage. If they're still active, repeat the process until the nest is a ghost town. Have more pest problems beyond wasps? Well, since
Dr. Doom
is a 100% Canadian company, they know all about the critters we deal with here, and they have a wide range of killers and repellents that handle everything from bedbugs and spiders to rodents and deer, and they're all in stock here at Gregg's. So, gear up and get these buzzers out of here with this week's feature product,
Dr. Doom's
Wasp and Hornet Nest Annihilator. What's the weirdest spot you've found a wasp nest? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to follow the channel so you can stay up to date with our 100% Canadian content. Thanks so much for watching.